Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start on your Apple Watch or paired iPhone to enable a passcode. Open the Watch Settings app on the watch directly, or unlock your iPhone and open the Watch app. Tap My Watch if using the iPhone method to reach watch settings. Keep both devices close together during the setup process for seamless pairing. Make sure the watch is charged at least 20% before changing security settings. This reduces interruptions while you enable the passcode securely. With settings open, scroll and tap Passcode to manage security. Choose Turn Passcode on to start the passcode creation flow. Enter a 4-digit passcode on the watch screen when prompted to store it locally. To use a 6-digit passcode, tap Use a longer passcode before you enter digits. If you prefer typing on the iPhone, tap Set Passcode on iPhone to enter digits on the phone. Confirm the passcode by entering the same digits a second time to finalize the setting. After setting a passcode, review additional security options shown in the same menu. Enable Unlock with iPhone to let your iPhone unlock the watch automatically when nearby. Turn on wrist detection so the watch locks when you remove it from your wrist. Consider enabling erase data only if you want the watch wiped after 10 failed attempts. Use the Change Passcode option anytime to update digits using the same steps as initial setup. Disable the passcode if required, but be aware this reduces device security significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.